Hello and welcome. Today, we are embarking on an incredible journey into the world of matpur. Get ready for an adventure like no other. Matpur is a passionate traveler, explorer, and storyteller. With his camera in hand, he captures breathtaking moments and shares them with the world. Join him as he ventures into remote corners of the globe, immersing himself in diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes. From towering mountains to stunning waterfalls, matpur takes you to places you've only dreamed of. But it's not just about the destinations. Matpur's infectious curiosity and genuine love for people create unique connections wherever he goes. Through his lens, he showcases the beauty of humanity, highlighting the similarities that unite us all. Whether he's hiking through dense forests, exploring hidden ruins, or indulging in local delicacies, matpur's passion for adventure knows no bounds. Through his videos, he brings these experiences to life, allowing you to embark on this incredible journey from the comfort of your own home. So, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to discover the world through matpur's eyes. Get ready to explore stunning landscapes, connect with diverse cultures, and awaken your inner wanderlust. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the world of matpur. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of adventure seekers. Meet Big Bags, producer of handcrafted bags and accessories. Heritage of craftsmanship. In 2000 a masterpiece was born. James Turner began Big Bags as a hobby. Big Bags was an expression of her belief in sustainable and simple designs. Now, Big Bags is in over 25 countries as a leader in innovative leather fashion. Vision. Simple, timeless, artisanal price for all people. Being sustainable is our DNA. Values. Craftsmanship. Innovation and design. Natural ecological. Visit to know more. www.bigbags.com